In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best bicycle discount codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for bicycle discount code. Right here, you'll have to search for this website, which is called coupongoods.com, and open it. As you can see, we have a list with different type of promo codes that we can use. For example, if you want to get this 10% off discount, all you have to do is select get code right here. And this is the discount code that you can copy and apply on the next purchase in order to get the discount. Also, we have this website, which is called withthrift.com, that also provides us some promo codes. For example, if you want to get this one with 50% off sellers free, all you have to do is select copy code right here. This is a discount code that you can copy and apply on your next purchase in order to get the discount. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.